Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be recording and showing you guys my recipe for steak tacos. These are going to be steak tacos with cheese. So first things first, cut up all your vegetables. I'm cutting up my onion, my cilantro. You can get a fresh garlic clove if you want, but I believe I just used the minced garlic. And that you get out of the vegetable aisle. Go ahead and cut up your lemons, your limes. Once you cut up your onion and your cilantro, go ahead and set that to the side. You want to make sure that you have enough to marinate your steak. I started marinating my stuff overnight, so this is content from like the night before, and then at the end you'll see me actually cooking the day of. So go ahead, make sure you wash your steaks. We're out of order. Well, I'm out of order. The video's not out of order, but this is me going ahead and preparing that marinade. So the juice of 2 limes, 1 lemon. I'm adding in that minced garlic right now. I'm adding in cilantro, half of the onion that I chopped up. Oh, Jesus. Long voiceover to get through, guys. Hopefully I make it to the end. I'm just gonna do one like take and yap as I go. I'm adding my seasonings now, so that says on what's this? I think, what did I put? A little basil, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, buttery garlic and herb seasoning, paprika, chili powder, and I had fajita and taco seasoning. And then if there's anything else I'm forgetting, I'm sure you guys can see it in the video right there. But this is just all to help the steak soak in some flavor overnight, so it can be nice and flavorful. So as you guys see, I'm going ahead and dropping those steaks in the seasonings and then the lemon and lime juice, and I'm getting that nice and coated, making sure that I work it in, and even in the little tiny crevices. I feel like this steak was so long, y'all. Oh my god. And I think definitely showed up when I cooked it. I added in some olive oil just to help all the seasonings, all the juice stick to the steak a little bit better, and I added just a little bit more paprika and sazon for color. I think I added a little bit more chili powder too, which low-key I didn't add enough, but I like it to be a little spicy. I felt like this ended up not tasting spicy at all. Yeah, the only thing that was spicy was like the store-bought seasoning. But yeah, your girl's really working it in there. I'm gonna show you what it's looking like here in a second. And then yeah, look at that, y'all. Nice and marinated. Imagine how good this is gonna be after it sits. You don't have to let it sit all night. You can probably let it sit throughout the day, maybe even a minimum of 20 minutes, but the longer you let it sit, the better. So I'm just going ahead now, saran wrapping it, and then I'm going to pop it into the fridge. And then yeah, this can be done for people. I know some people like to meal prep, but if you can do it on the weekend and then prepare for the week. So now I'm gonna make my avocado crema. I'm cutting up 1 jalapeno. You can do 2 if you like it to be a little bit more spicy, but honestly, like me and the people who ate with me, we felt like the sauce came out great. So I'm just showing you guys how I make it. I'm gonna use 1 jalapeno. I'm gonna cut up 1 avocado as well, and then juice out 2 limes, sour cream, and then lightly season it. So you'll see me here struggling to open the avocado as usual. She was a little too soft, and then it was just difficult, but I got it out one way or another. Even if I had to peel it all tacky, I got it out. And let me tell you, them limes were so strong. Oh my god. Like normal though, like normal. This is garlic salt. This is minced garlic. I know I use paprika. A little seasoning, and then 1 cup of sour cream, guys. One cup. And then if you need to add it to taste, you could do that as well. Unfortunately, my blender died on me. I had her, like, I have a portable one, and she's been charging all day, but for some reason she did not want to work for me. So mixer it is. You can do it with a mixer. It definitely takes longer, especially if you want it to be less chunky. I want it to be a little creamier, a little smooth. So now let's finally get cooking, you guys. It's the next day. Our meat has marinated, and let's go ahead and pop that on the stove and cook steak how you normally would, as well done as you prefer. I went ahead and cooked it all the way. So this is pretty thin sirloin, so maybe 8 to 10 minutes, making sure I flipped it occasionally. I'm gonna pop it back in on top of the stove later on once I get it cut up. But so that's why I didn't like brown it just yet. It was gonna get brown later on. But I think I used a total of 3 pieces of steak. And as you see, it kind of shrivels up. So if you're cooking for a lot of people, make sure you have enough. And then I use these white corn tortillas. I went ahead and browned them on both sides, sprinkle a little bit of parsley. I will say that I do like cheese on my steak tacos. If you want this to be more traditional style street tacos, where you just have the meat, onion, and cilantro, then you could do that as well. I know not a lot of people consume dairy, or they might have dairy, like dietary restrictions. So again, up to you. You guys don't have to use the cheese that I use, but I think I used the Kraft brand Mexican blend, just because it had a really nice melt to it. And the taste wasn't overpowering. I felt like in the end everything worked in tandem to taste pretty good. So yeah, I'm adding that cheese on here. You guys will see how it turns out. These were actually so good, and people who ate with me, like, they were like, yeah, it was so good. Their favorite part was the avocado crema. They said that was really good, and it tastes better than the store-bought sauces that we had. So they pretty much ate all that up. But as you guys can see, the steak came out so good. It was really flavorful, you guys. So I really recommend following how I marinated it. I know a lot of variations exist, so you can look at my video. You can find other ones online. I added a little bit more onion and cilantro on top, just to have that fresher taste. It tasted so good. And then this avocado and cilantro just has a little bit of lemon juice on it to help, like, it stick together a little bit more. And then this is me adding on the avocado crema, which was just so good, you guys. It tasted so refreshing. Like, it was so perfect. I feel like it made the tacos. But yeah, this is how I make steak tacos, guys. My version of steak street tacos. And I hope you enjoy it, because I definitely enjoyed eating this. So don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this, more recipe videos, more vlogs. And if it's something you guys want to see me make, just let me know in the comments below. Bye. Love you.